Hey, let's take a look at temperature. The SI unit is Kelvin. Why? It's the only one that can't go below zero. Therefore, it's never negative and it's better for mathematical conversions. Try doubling 0 Celsius, you still get 0. But since it's 273 Kelvin, when you double it, you get a lot. So it's important to always use Kelvin for temperature. This will show up a lot, particularly in the gases unit. If we want to go from Kelvin to Celsius, no problem. Just take your Celsius, add 273, and you've got your Kelvin. Knowing that room temperature is about 298 Kelvin is helpful for making sure you don't go in the wrong direction. And here it is here. If you've got 25 degrees Celsius, that would be 298 Kelvin because you just add 273 to that degrees Celsius to get your Kelvin. If we want to go from Fahrenheit to Celsius, here's the formulas. And written out in this way is handy because you just do it in order. If you're worried about order of operations, just do what it says. Take the Fahrenheit, subtract your 32, multiply that number by 5, divide it by 9, you'll get your answer. So you just go in order for both of those. So don't worry about screwing it up. Let's practice one. We have minus 40 Celsius. How cold is that in Fahrenheit? Well, we want the Fahrenheit, so let's go with the bottom one here. Let's take our minus 40, multiply it by 9, that's minus 360, divide it by 5, that's still minus 72. Add 32 to it, and we get minus 40. Well, how do you like that? They coincide. Just as an exercise, let's go from the minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit and verify that we get minus 40 degrees Celsius. So we want the degrees Celsius, there it is right there. We plug in our minus 40, we subtract 32. Well, that is even colder, that's minus 72. Multiply that by 5 and we're minus 360. Divide it by 9 and we're at minus 40 once again. So they coincide. This is an introduction to temperature.